Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing to the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. After 15 blacklists, Chief Minister threatens to continue if no protest persists. Meghalaya Speaker met Lingdor unveils statue of freedom fighter Tirot Singh's aim. Khasi Students' Union observe 186th death anniversary of Tirot Singh's aim. Meghalaya legislator of South Shillong Constituency, Sanbor Shalai, donates cash to poor families of his constituency, and Lapalang Parmau locality of Shillong donates food items to Don Bosco Youth Centre Corona Care. And now the news in detail. In the review meeting that was held on the 16th July 2021, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said that the decision to blacklist 15 firms was taken due to the failure on the part of those firms to complete the road projects under the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana PMGSY. Speaking to the media persons on Friday, the Chief Minister said, "We are going to take similar action in the near future against people who fail to deliver quality work."
This kind of detailed monitoring, and we're actually able to push, and after pushing many such projects, we have been able to close, and that is the reason why in the last few years we have seen that Government of India has increased the sanction as well as the financial outlay for Meghalaya after seeing this particular dashboard and seeing that we are actually giving a better performance. The utilization is taking place regularly, and actually the works are being finally completed, projects that are even pending for many 15, 20, 18 years, which really spoiled the entire fund flow and project allocation for the state at that point in time. So this is how we are moving forward in this, and based on this, we were mentioning last time, you were asking about blacklisting. So 15 firms have already, or contractors, the process of blacklisting them has already been initiated. And more will happen. So we've been doing, it's all based on this particular dashboard, and we're looking at people who have not performed well. We're looking at people who have taken multiple projects and not. Of course, we give a chance. We are not being very rough with people saying that anybody who does this, all will be terminated. It's not like that. We try to be fair. We try to give an opportunity. Once we see that the contractor or the individual firm is not serious and not taking any action in spite of repeated reminders and opportunities being given, then we initiate the process of blacklisting. So as of now, as I mentioned, about 15 firms, the blacklisting process has been initiated. So this is what we have for PMGSY, and you can just show the mother app once. I just want to show the pregnancy thing also, just can go back on that. So in the same dashboard, as you can see, we have this mother program. And obviously, similarly in this program also, at any given time, the list of all the districts is coming up.
The Speaker of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, met Lingdor, today unveiled the full-size statue of freedom fighter Tirot Singh's aim of Hima Nongklaw at Mairang in the presence of Tribal Chief of Hima Nongklaw and representatives from different village council. The unveiling of the statue marks the 186th death anniversary of freedom fighter Tirot Singh's aim, who along with his followers fought bravely against the Britishers to ensure freedom for his people and other Khasi princely states.
But haka tu bukor nakabenta ya udi umat sim yang di dong Tirot Singh. La don bok la persang manwa limbaga arts and culture. La kan director of arts and culture but nilai keren ni. Nilai kita mengimpat dansa kita. Tambah don't lie to me, Kimot. Kibal snap, but kibal the order. Why educated? He done but the urban department. What na phone but ngalay friend of directors of the urban of the Papua? Bangal kapad iti sumhal na kalong ahis. Mga ngalayit jitit na kibalay po yan. Bauniw maumot. Hilakot tenda nabo dong senam arja kan be panyo but la da likely the company ki ba captain da ban snai du mawat but the way the company na po Calcutta kita finalize balai itu yang ana kalian untuk orban ketika form ke bagi snai di mat keleng jom kali India kat bagi don bagi orang yang ai okay woodwork hi ngala paket no yo ni mawat yo ni umat jom tidak sing but kira ai sum hai bangan bone apa mai lang dengan so benong.
The Khasi Students' Union today observed the 186th death anniversary of tribal chief of Hima Nongklao at a symbol function held at Yeoranghep between Limkra and Nongthamai in Shillong. The program was marked with the laying of wreaths at the statue of national freedom fighters by KSU and FKJGP. Speaking on the occasion, the president of KSU, Bat Lambok Star Maranga, said the student body has raised numerous issues for protection of the Nyotrep community, but all these have fallen into the deaf ear of the state government.
Jong way na kisim bakraw kisim badonam bat ila ro kanong bau dai way na takiriu lan lade agade kabri nyo trap kejongi banje kun persak ya kibor kibana sabar kio persang ya keban tombor ban kni jentet jika hok ba ikhtiar jongkari ba kajat penreu hakis pak snam kio manswa andrai kai bang akwa bandong kam tam ji kisamla kiba long kinong teng bat kinong pentulun ya kasalan tem ban sakri ya kari bekerja kundu gede peteng gumta kalong kajing ijri kada kamdai kabasuki phalo tang sipang por handai kajing ijri bulsien kaju kersoi naki telong jong jengbut jong perkat kamensim kata kalong banlen tadi nam takari bekerja kundu berkoi bat kata kaju kalanti hakis pak senami kimon maswa mirang ya keren bat idang pule ke histori hindrai takajuk ke mesim jele haduk kini kesengi kadang par bat kadang yai kersiu ya uwai poi dukot jong kejai pendreu bangi de pai khmat ban sotu ki ai kita kimat ki jengi ki bangi kum ki samla kam tam kum kali ke pateng ta ni hapan teng ye ke jengi de kat sebengi pai ki jengi sudah kum kari ba kejai pendreu bat kum ke jelai bro kawai handai apreng jong kita ke jengi ki ba fer ki bang iya kenduk kum kejat penreu ki jing terha ki bahar kom handai kwa sos kem galong hadu umta kejat penreu kampat semladan setra jong kariat handai kadan preng jong jingile kata kamadan kema.
Speaking on the occasion, President of Federation of Khasi Jaintia and Garo people, Wilbert Rani, said the social organization have raised several issues concerning protection of the community, but the public representatives are more concerned about the election.
Masodana cibut na ba niyo bandan lang kumni baro ban sa jikin ma wala siya kapor ka bakim na kapor ka ba lesi ngim dolong lai lut namar kajing don jokani ka klam ka balawan na kani ka hakini ka sla jokani ka perthai keleng kiri jong ka perthai bar kari ka jongi rukum jo handai kani ngidang don ban mi lesi namar ba ngimla ban su shong ayeng ban su kan mau na yeng lani ban su klami shikmat ban wan ban bu du senti ong ni ban yunu jor ki kam ki bakrau jong ni uri krau jong ka jat benre ko jongi ngara so tenat ban ngada ai khublai 6000 mu ya Khasi Student Union kabala penyang yang diumot deling ba ka jitre sitom jong pi kasang KSU ka bangirung yo ban ya wan lang hang ni ban ya bu senti ban yo ban ya kenmau ya ki kam ki bakrau jong ni uri krau jong ka jat benre ko jongi utirat sing sim ban ngasngo bakani ka jilong sim ko jungui ka jat menri ko jongi kadang ne bakadi banne pateng la pateng wala ulayap wala ngila kenmau ki spa tali ki snam jo ko jingyap ko jongu ngareng nong ipi ko ki samla ko ki parat khot ko ki khot jong ka jat menri tongin kenmau ba hado menta udai usim jong ka jat menri ko jongi wala umdan shu bangi ban ngi dang dai ki sipai kibrang sa aksla perthai ban buat ya kanuksa ka jengu ban buat ya ka jingelam ka jengu ban yele nam ta ka jat benri ka jengi mar hadu menta ka jingele jengi kampat kut ki bubun ki jinge bakum ka jat benri mi kendo Kajong red pat kajong ni. Kajing syak khunyat jong ye kiwi pat kejat bendre ki bahaya pan.
Meghalaya legislator of South Shillong Constituency Sanbor Shalai today handed over cash of 2,000 rupees to each of the 200 families belonging to the economically weaker section of his constituency. Speaking on the occasion, Shalai said that he has given cash money to 4 localities comprising 1,000 families of South Shillong Constituency. The MLA also said that when the COVID-19 situation improves, he will also do the same to the other 10 localities and the help will be utilized from the Special Urban Works Program.
And 50 lakh has been earmarked, and last month, based on this notification, I along with the members of the MCIC and South Shillong, we have convinced a meeting comprises of all the Dorbar Shillong, the village council, the societies, the NGOs, which falls under my constituency, the 19th South Shillong Assam Club, and unanimously we have taken a decision and we have given a liberty to the respective Dorbar Shillong and its CCMT members to select the genuine beneficiaries who are badly affected by the lockdown. That is those people who are badly affected are those taxi drivers, hawkers, daily wages, domestic workers, daily laborers, physically handicapped, then this porters, the gajus, and those street vendors, the hawkers, where their shop and establishment and their work place have been shut down for 2 months by the imposition of various SOP of the government. So we have thoroughly discussed with the Dorbar Shillong and its CCMT members to see and to identify door to door at your respective locality only those genuine people who are eligible to get this kind of scheme.
Lapalang Parmau locality of Shillong today donated food items to Don Bosco Youth Centre, Limekra, Shillong. The food items were received by the centre's director, Father Michael Makri. These food items were given for the COVID-19 patients of Don Bosco Youth Centre Corona Care. Speaking at an impromptu program at the entrance of the Corona Care, in which the magistrate was also present, Father Michael Makri said the Corona Care was set up as part of social responsibility in view of the COVID-19 pandemic in East Khasi Hills district. Father Michael also informed that the Corona Health facility is providing treatment to COVID-19 patients free of cost, including food, lodging and medicines.
Jadi baru kita lihat ini nak support. Kalau cuma sikit ni ai ka di cuma free education. Tapi untuk materi ke government kaba ni nak kalian belum buku di kuapan penyak. Kita tahu nak kalian government dulu nak support ke jarak ini tentang kita wai kita dan tentang di muka bentuk di Penampang di ai ini nak government dulu. Jadi kadang di persiang kita lagi kabam ka dawai besi yang ini macam dari nak support belum lagi belum diberi kita bun di bawah ai ikau dan ai dikur dan ai ini income nak kita ni Penampang di hak tinggi di Penampang hak tinggi di nurses ni dengan promote di nurse hak tinggi jong di baru ni ai play ibu ni kita lah ai ni bam na kita jumi di lembaga nega video di kuatan terus sakiwe balada don ibahi hussein mp iba shikom iba mua dan poi syaki hospital nomor 7 hospital tolong ke badan untuk kata kebun iba shifting balik di corner center di hospital andre nakwa bandang iki hani hayu center nginom chai AAP nomor ini baru kita kucing ai tu haji di yung di parlok di beton tenan tak tahu tada kedon Jepang yang Islam, kedon Jepang yang Islam, kedon mana-mana bayo yang kena Jepang. Kuan si center, ini sesumar ini, ini saya kata nilak penai, tanpa bertunjuk itu ikut dia. Di what thing? Banyak kepada pisong yang penpur, penpera, pensopra yang kena Jepang dia dibahi Islam. Dan lah pertemuan sini, Nama kalau untuk tinggal isolation center ke bah kidon hini saya yang bikin koi. So one thing, one youth center, but saya di smart nang bikin koi. Ditang gini kitin, tulis pun baki, tulis pun di video, bagi ni ASHA baru di bawah nak berita kalau ai di Beijing ai nak berita di Nampang sini, baru nak berita sini. Tulis pun boleh berkumpul itu.
Speaking on the occasion while handing these food items, Mr. Quinteo said the giving of these essential food items to the Don Bosco Youth Centre is a small gesture that the locality wants to participate in helping the COVID-19 patients and also to lighten the burden shouldered by Don Bosco Youth Centre in mitigating the suffering of people living in East Khasi Hills district due to COVID-19 pandemic.
Lasang may kami pernah senta kepala penyerap sebun yang kini bentuk apa Shillong atau haki home isolation semua kerja kadang begini mentah kini lasang ya ka home isolation lasang random testing lagu kalai turik di kini kes bami mentah semai jadi nomor kadang sung hiang dengan sungguh ya ibarat belakang tu hai ki hari ni pernah senta apa si ai di semua free kadang di lembaga menyerap di Shillong juga Shillong ini menyalakan air menyerap ya pada di tempat minumkan ini kebanyakan Shillong berat ini bersangkut penuh menyerap kami semua dengan sungguh ya madam video madam share tak kartri jadi kes magistrate dia dah minta ini berbot dengan contoh yang jadi sungguh ya kedua motor institusi berakui bagi para pol makri
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.